Greetings, punters. Ben here again. We are running game 742, which is Ross's Venom #1 remarked and signed. We are live. And current time is 9:31 a.m. and world clock says it is 9:32 a.m. Still 9:31 a.m. But you get the point. All right, let's go and have a look here. Oh, plenty of spots. Oh, 195. Nice work. Alrighty. All right. So we had Neville at #1 and Rishi at 195. So 195. It's Rishi. Go up. Neville at #1. Looks good. All right, looks good. 3 dice roll. Oh, bloody hell. 6 and 6 is 12 and 5 is a 17. One off the grand total, 17. Alrighty, strap yourself in. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's 10, 11, 12, far out. Next time you're running this one, Jess. 13, 14, all right, 15, got 2 left. 6 and 6 is 12 and 5 is 17. So 2 rolls left. Penultimate. All right, 16 times. So next one is for the winner. Good luck, everybody. Whoa. All right, there we go. 17 times. Let's go and have a look. Need some elevator music. Here we go, and your winner of the signed and remarked Venom is Kevin. Kevin, congratulations, Kevin. Get in contact with Ross to claim your prize. Congrats, mate, and we are done. Alrighty, thanks for playing, everybody. Catch you next time.